Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am back today with a little different video. Many of you know, if you follow my channel for a while, I am a planner. I love doing creative planning in my Hobonichi Techo, and I thought that I would come on and pull out my kits for Christmas season and winter of what I'm going to plan with. This I got in the advent calendar last year from Fern Creek Stickers, and it has 52 weeks, so you can put in and plan out your weeks each week. So that is what I thought I would do. I need to choose a kit for December 11th through the 17th, and I think I got this one out because that's why I had it out front. But this is just a jumbo winter sampler. I don't even know who it's from. I'm gonna say it's from Planner Chick Designs, maybe, but I thought I would use it along with this one from Planner Chick Designs. These were just like I got in a D-stash, so I thought I would put these together for December 11th through the 17th. Then I need a kit for December 18th through the 24th, and I want it to be a Christmas kit. I think I'm going to use this one. I got it last year from Coffee Planner Mom. I have not used it. It is the Rustic Christmas Kit. And then I need one for December 25th through January 1st. I wanted to do more of not a, like a kit, just do more of a free kind of thing. And I have all these little Christmas stickers, so we'll use that for one. I have one in here already. It's called Whispering Pines for December 26th through the 1st. No, December 25th through January 1st. So this date is not right. I have ordered the new dates that go so I can number my weeks. So I'm just waiting for those to come in. So, but I have a kit here. I put some winter little sheets for the second week of January, and then because Christmas is over, I want some like just some winter kits. Let's see what this one is. This one is Cozy Winter, and this is a kit. I must have used part of it and not used all of it. So this is a Cozy Winter kit from Lisa Loren Plans. Let's go ahead and use that one for the third week of January. And then I think this is more wintry than it is Modern Winter by Perfect Prints Co. Let's put that in here to use. And then let's see what other winter kits we have. That one's pretty snowy. Let's see. Those are Christmassy. I don't want anything Christmassy because Christmas is over. This one is called Skating by Planning City. Oh, it's a really pretty color, foiled kit. Let's use it. Has great washi, so we'll use use that in January for the last week of January. And then we'll find some for February on, that looks like, oh no, I guess it's not the same. Christmas, 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 SLO planning. This looks more wintry than it does Christmassy. Let's see. Yeah, I think we will use this for the first week of February. Let's see if we can find some more winter. Christmas countdown, holiday mail, Alpine slopes, the snuggle is real. I think what I want to do, this is Hello Happiness Co. And it's like a partial kit, like a little mini kit. But I had one back here. That was buffalo plaid, that it could go with that. Maybe if I can find it. There it is. We could use these two kits together. So yeah, that'd be good. Buffalo plaid is wintry. This one is Snowman's Winter Minimalist Weekly Kit. And I think I will use it, but I'm also going to use these stickabilities. These are just, they say Christmas on them, but I won't use the ones that are Christmassy. Except this one is wintry too. Okay, let's use these for the week of February, and then let's go back. Let's see, I have Cozy Nights, Merry and Bright. This one looks like it's just not a very big kit. This one is called Winter Flowers by Plan to Design. And I think we will use it in the last week of February. And then the next week will be the 1st of March, and that's when I start using spring kits. So that's where I'm going to stop with my winter kits. So here are my kits for the rest of the year. In the beginning of next year, I have this kit by Planner Chick Designs. I have my 2 kits in here for the 3rd and 4th week of January. Then I have a kit from Simply Gilded. And then all these from Simply Smith. Cozy Winter from Lisa Loren Plans. Modern Winter from Perfect Prints Co. Skating from Planning City. A kit from SLO Planning. Hello Happiness Co. and Southern Mommy. Simply Southern Mommy, I'm putting together as one kit. Snowman's Minimalist Kit, weekly kit from BHD. I can't think what her shop's. Bottled Honey Designs. And then I have a Winter Flowers kit from Plan to Design. And that is all of my winter kits that I need. And hopefully this next week my new dates will be in, and I will date these so that they are properly dated. But if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. And I'll be back soon with another crafty, planner, or beauty video.